Hey guys, welcome to the show. Matt and Gaz here from Chase the Weekend, exploring Australia one weekend at a time. We're out in Conondale National Park at Booloumba Falls. Absolutely beautiful spot.
Amazing.
Isn't it? I'm Gaz, this is Matt. Thanks for joining Chase the Weekend. If it's your first time, give us a like and subscribe if you like what you see in this video, and don't forget to watch some of our other videos. Let's show you around Booloumba Falls and the National Park and show you what this place is all about. Booloumba Falls and Booloumba Creek are located in Conondale National Park. It's roughly about 17-minute drive from Kenilworth. So the easiest way to get there is straight up the Bruce Highway, left at Yamundi, and follow the signs all the way through to Conondale National Park. So the track in is a dirt road, and it is recommended for high clearance four-wheel drives, although I have seen two-wheel drive in here, but I wouldn't recommend bringing your Mazda 3. There are some beautiful camping spots right along the creek. There's Booloumba 1, Booloumba 3 and Booloumba 4 camping areas. Booloumba 4 is suitable for camper trailers and caravans and some of your larger vehicles. You will find all this on Queensland Parks for booking. It's $6.55 per night per person or $26.20 per family. Booloumba 2 you'll find is a beautiful day use area that you can come out and spend the day with the family swimming and exploring the creek. So the drive in is a spectacular drive through the forest that winds its way up the mountains into some beautiful rainforest areas. Massive gum trees that look like they've been here forever.
Mom, I'm hungry. Dad, can I have a cookie?
What does Mum say?
Oh, guys, can you have some fruit, please?
Oh, I think I've got a banana in the fridge. Here you go.
Ew!
It's brown.
And squishy.
I've got an idea how I can use this banana. We all love treats when you're out camping, but we know that Mum's usually right when it comes to how much fruit we need to eat. But after a week out bush, your nannies are probably going to look a bit worse for wear. However, we've got a recipe for you today called the banana snack cakes. For this recipe, we're going to need one mushy banana, one egg, little hack, cracked it into a little container here and just give it one of them, and she's all scrambled, ready to go, and 1 tablespoon of self-raising flour. And what we're going to do is we're going to peel this mushy banana, put it in a bowl, mush it up even more with a fork, mix in our egg, and then mix in our flour, make a batter, fry him up, and Bob's your uncle. Let's give it a crack. All right, let's get out. Oh, geez. Chuck that in there. We're gonna mash him up. Mash, mash, mash. Oh, yum. All right, we're gonna mash it to a pulp. That looks pretty mashy. And now we want our egg. Here's an egg I prepared earlier. Bloop. Stir around. Oh yeah, that's looking battery. And we're gonna add our self-raising flour. Mix him up. Oh yeah. Alright, so that's a little bit runny, so we're gonna add a little bit more flour. Probably about so much. Oh yeah, that's looking better. Okay, so what we're looking for is a nice pancake consistency. Righto, so we want medium heat. A little bit of oil, spray oil, extra virgin olive oil, or butter if you got a bit of butter. You just let that pan warm up. Alright, so that's pretty good. Ooh, yeah. Good, eh? So we're just going to look for the telltales, the little bubbles in the top of the pancakes there, and we're going to give them a flip. So, oh, look at that. Alright, so I can hear the kids coming back from their walk. These are ready to go. We're just going to let them cool down a little bit. All right, come on in, kids. Here we go. You want this one?
Yeah. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There you go. All right, give that a try. Let me know.
It's a bit hot.
Is it a bit hot?
Yes.
They're going to be a little bit squishy because that's because we've got a lot of banana in them.
And also a lot of hotness.
A lot of hotness.
Yeah, tastes really good, Dad.
Really good?
Really hot.
What do you reckon, Tobes?
That's really good.
He didn't get paid to say that either. There we go. Quick, easy little snacky pancake for you to give a try. Use up them smushy bananas that have been rolling around in your fridge for a week. If you give it a go, let us know in the comments.
The falls themselves are roughly a 10k drive from Booloumba Falls campground. While the first bit is a little bit of a goat track, you will be able to negotiate this quite easily in your full drive. It is well maintained road, so there's no dramas there. Once you've reached the car park, there is a 1.5k walk down to the falls. I think the walk's pretty good. It's not that bad, eh? It's a nice trail.
Yeah, we'll stroll through the bush.
Nice little 3k turnaround. The falls are situated in a beautiful rocky gorge, and there's heaps of area to spread out and explore once you get down to the bottom. And what a beautiful spot to spend the day swimming and cooling off. Just exploring out here. Look at the size of that rock. That is huge. That is massive. Absolutely gorgeous little spot. Little cave in there. Beautiful clear water. Great spot to spend the day.
There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Hope it encourages you to get out there and explore this great country for yourselves. We checked out Booloumba Creek. We had a look at Booloumba Falls. Remember to hit that like button. If you haven't already, we'd really love your subscription as well. It really helps the page out. And remember,
The weeks are long,
but the weekends are short.
so chase the weekend.
Gotcha. Facilities here are actually quite good.
Jeez, don't go in there. Give that a few minutes.